When adding curtain grids in Revit, it's best practice to follow the most efficient order. Always add the continuous, all segments grids first, followed by one-segment grids. This kitchen demonstration illustrates one of the more efficient grid orders that can be applied to this particular design. Let's add the upper vertical, one-segment grids first, followed by the upper horizontal grids. As you'll soon see, we only need to add 2 upper horizontal grids to this elevation. This is because all grids are continuous from end to end, so we can simply add the final grid segment as part of the first horizontal grid. We can now move to the lower part of the design and select the existing upper infill panel grids. This will allow us access to the Add Remove Segments function to add the lower infill panel segments. Before adding the lower, vertical grids, we need to first add the kickboard grid, as well as check the kickboard grid preview to ensure the whole segment is added correctly. Once the correct placement side is established, the grid can be successfully added. Now that the kickboard grid is in place, we can start to add the remaining lower segments, using the Add Remove Segments tool, as well as creating new vertical and horizontal grids and segments where required. Let's now add grids to elevation 3 in this design, using the same principles that were employed for elevation 1. Simply add grids from the outer cells first, followed by the inner cells. Aim for efficiency, with the least number of clicks as possible. Remember that any grids that don't snap to their respective grid snap line can be aligned later using the Align tool. As with any 1-2-3 cabinetry design, once all the grids are in place, simply activate a 3D view and press the Make button to create your 3D model.